Patutubigan nila. Saka palang tataniman. So, personal siyang nagpo-plow. Yes, ayan. He's coming. So, yan yung trabaho niya. Taga-plow. For plowing. So ito naman guys ay sinasakyan siya yung pabigat para mag-shape up kasi lalagyan na siya ng patubig. So that's the way sinasakyan na lang sa likod hanggang sa matapos. So, isa yung magdadrive, tapos isa yung sasakay sa likod. Minsan naman dalawa. For this time, they just need one person to ride. So, ayan. Diyan dadaan yung tubig. Maya-maya. So, ito naman yung seeds na ilalagay sa farm. Tawag ito jawar or jar. Isa to sa mga ginagawa ding rotla or tinatawag nilang Indian bread. Another kinds of millets that is very healthy for us to eat. So, this is Ranjit, a family friend of us. So, he is the one also helping to work in farm. So, siya yung taga-spread ng seeds ngayon. He usually come every day in the farm also. So, sanay na siya sa atin. So, that's the way they spread seeds before watering. Maya-maya lang magpapatubig na. So, naka-ready na yung seeds. So, the field will be full of water also later. So, let's see until then. Ganyan lang. Sinasaboy yung seeds. After plowing guys, ayan, magpapatubig na. So, let's see. So, right after the plowing, they have to water the empty field. How many acre this farm? One? This is, This is a 1 acre land owned by our family. So, this is right after plowing. We have to put water before planting another. They're trying to, they will plant jar. Later I will show you the seeds, what they will put. Jar is a kind of grains also. It can be used for making rotla. But aside from that, the dried leaves of that, they will grind it for the buffalo. So while sitting here, the birds are just coming near me. So those who want to have birds watching, they're just 1 meter far from me. Hello! We are going to watch birds. While watering the plants, see, the birds are coming also. So this is one of the nice view here in an empty field. Every time there is water, these birds are coming to take some insects. So later on, there will be more. More birds are coming. Just it's getting hotter, but still windy. I like this view. I always like to see them coming near. So we don't need to spend money for bird watching going somewhere else. We just have to sit in the farm where there is water. So nice. Ayan. Sino gustong manood? Siguro next time, we will have live video of bird watching. Sobrang lapit lang nila, oh. Sumilong muna tayo. Ang init. So, dito guys, dumadaan yung tubig. Ayan. So, water coming from here. Since wala pa kaming sariling tubig, so we are paying 50 rupees per hour. So, dito siya dinadaan. Nilalagyan siya ng canal papunta doon sa farm namin. Ayan. That's my husband. His name is Nilesh. So, ayan. The water goes there. And you will see the birds. I was sitting there a while ago. Sitting with them is really good experience. I always love that scene. So then guys, ito naman yung mga halaman ko dito. So meron akong lemon and 1-month-old kamuting kahoy. So around mga 12 puno. So 12 trees na kamuting kahoy. And then meron akong cherry tree. May kalabasa ako. Masipag mamulaklak pero hindi namumunga. So ito yung malunggay namin. And then alugbati. Medyo nagda-dry na yung alugbati. Tapos ayan yung talong. And ito naman yung tanglad. Ito naman yung saging. Kaso kinain ng mga ibon yung bulaklak. So wala kaming bunga. Konti lang. Ayan o, ilang piraso lang natira. So ayan yun. Ayan o, malaki na yung kamuting kahoy. Tapos ito naman ay atis. Ito din yung lemon. So isa itong malunggay. Yung malunggay namin namumulaklak na. Tapos sa tabi, meron kaming sili at kamatis. Ito gulay din ito pero hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan. Sorry. Tapos ayan naman yung saging ko. Hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan niya. Pero ito yung may maraming